Hello fellow traders, my name is Simon and welcome again to Porsaj Forex Academy. I'm here with a brand new signal, and today's signal is going to be on a really famous currency named GBPUSD, aka British Pound per US dollar. So without any more time to waste, let's head to the calendar and see what we have. Okay, now that we are on our calendar, currently what I'm seeing from the left side here, this actually shows me that the sellers are taking a leverage, and this actually will push the market towards buying, so it might actually create a bullish momentum in the market. And as we can see, we have no pointings for the summary of the forecast of it. We are currently facing FOMC meeting minutes, and this might actually have an impact in the price. It might actually helps the bullish momentum of it. And for the next day, on Thursday, we actually have a lot of news that are going to help the positive movement of this currency with their positive impacts. But as you all know me, I don't believe in news, so let's head to the chart and see what we have. Okay, now that we are on the chart, as you can see, we are on GBPUSD on 1 hour time frame, and as always I have pre-drawn some zones for you. Let me change the color of this one a little bit. All right, this green area is a really strong support level, which actually was the cause of this bullish momentum happening here. And the blue area, as always, is our trading area. And if it was me, I would have traded it right now because it already has the bullish momentum that it needs. But if you want to be much more safe, let the price to pass this area of resistance. It's a really weak resistance, but let it retest it, and with another pullback or with a candle being closed up above this level, you can enter your trade. And as always, it's only a recommendation, so you can trade whenever and however it suits you. So at the end, what I want from you now is to sit back, enjoy the music, so I can make this beautiful for you guys. Enjoy. Okay guys, now that we have this beautiful setup, I hope you have enjoyed it. Have a good time and peace.